Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best leather cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Leather Honey Leather Conditioner and Cleaning Kit. Leather Honey is a trusted brand for its safe formula and how it breathes life back into various leather goods, from furniture to car interiors to jackets. Cleaning expert Katie Berry likes Leather Honey's Complete Leather Care Kit, which comes with a 4-ounce bottle of leather cleaner and an 8-ounce bottle of leather conditioner. Neither product actually contains honey, but keep in mind that the brand doesn't disclose the ingredients that actually are in its formulas. This is a natural product, made in the USA, which deeply conditions leather to keep it supple, says Berry. I'm impressed by how many stains have been able to get out with it, like lipstick, pet stains, and mud. It doesn't stink, and it doesn't leave leather sticky. Despite the name, it does not contain wax or animal products. I use it twice a year on my leather car seats and shoes. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lexol Leather Cleaner and Leather Conditioner Kit. For those seeking a budget-friendly option, Berry recommends Lexol's Leather Cleaner and Leather Conditioner Kit. The kit does a good job at both cleaning and conditioning, she says. This kit provides comprehensive care for your leather items at a more accessible price point. It's designed to clean, condition, and protect leather while helping to restore its soft, supple texture. And the products are easy to apply thanks to the convenient spray bottles. However, Berry points out a few areas where this product could be improved. Lexol says the oil-based conditioner's protection lasts 6 months, but I found it's closer to 3 months, she said. This used to be made in the United States but is now manufactured overseas. Since it contains emulsified tanning oils, it is also not vegan, which may be important to some. There is also an aroma with this product that some users might find unpleasant. At number 3, we have the Bickmore Bick 4 Leather Conditioner. The Bickmore Bick 4 Leather Conditioner is engineered to preserve, clean, and protect high-quality leather furniture. A standout feature is its non-darkening formula. Unlike many leather conditioners that can darken your leather over time, Bick 4 is specially formulated to maintain and restore the leather's natural look. Bick 4 rejuvenates leather furniture without leaving a greasy residue. It improves the appearance and softness of leather furniture after application. Each bottle contains 16 ounces, which should last a significant amount of time even with regular use. For the best results, the company recommends using it every 6 months or more frequently if the furniture is heavily used or exposed to dry, arid climates. The only drawback is the cap, which makes it challenging to control the amount of product that is dispensed. At number 2, we have the Wyman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Spray. The Wyman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is an American-made product known for its efficacy in rejuvenating leather car interiors. It not only cleans and restores the leather but also provides UVX-15 sunscreen protection. This is an impressive feature as it shields your car's leather from the sun's harmful rays, thereby prolonging its life and vibrancy. The formula also restores the color and suppleness of leather car interiors, although it may take some time or elbow grease to remove difficult or older stains. And finally at number 1, we have the Clydes Leather Conditioner. Clydes Leather Conditioner is excellent at rejuvenating leather products that have lost their shine over time. The conditioner's creamy texture allows for easy application, and its non-greasy formula ensures that it doesn't leave any unwanted residue on your leather items. The manufacturer promises that it nourishes, restores, and protects leather, which can extend the life of your goods and keep them looking new. The container is small for the price, but a little goes a long way with this standout conditioner with excellent nourishing properties. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.